Welcome back to Motorhead UK. Today we're going to be working on the gt86 again. We've got some cheap AliExpress things again. We've got some rear louvers and we've got some side louvers for the third window. So we're going to fit those today and show you how to do those, and let's see how it goes. Right, I think we'll do the side ones first because it's going to be easy. So let's see what we've got in here. Package well. I'm hoping there's going to be some tape in it because I don't think I've actually got any left over. Otherwise I'm going to have to tiger seal it on with a wrap wheel. Right, I think there is some tape in it. So just some cheap plastic glossy ones. So yeah, they're not brilliant, but they're okay. Of course, we'll leave the link in the description for these as well. If you want to get a set of yours, we've got some gel tape put on. Quite easy, just clean it and just shove it on really. So let's see how this one goes. So after pulling all this tape off, that was a fucking pain in the arse, I have to say. It took me a while. We're just going to stick them on and hopefully they go on straight and nice and neat and they look good. But to be fair, I think they cost me about 16 quid. They look really good condition. The glue feels quite sticky, but if it doesn't work, I've got some tiger seal that I'm going to stick it on with. But yeah, we're just going to put them on. And that is one done. So yeah, I think they look really good, to be fair. Right, let's do the other one. So we're going to do the rear louvers now. I've just taken them out of the box because I thought I hit the record button and it didn't record, so I was talking to myself. But I'm going to show you now because obviously I was just talking to myself before. Right, so these are the louvers. Obviously I did do an unpacking, but obviously didn't press record, so but they are very nice, they're very clean. Don't look too bad, there's a bit of a freckle paint there, but nothing major. Bit of a mispaint there, but what do you expect for a cheap build? Also comes with brackets that you can then take off and clean underneath the window, could make it a lot easier. But I don't know if I'm going to use these or use some tiger seal, because I have got some tiger seal over here, so I might use tiger seal instead of these. So, because I've had experience with these and they do fall off. But right, let's just crack on and get it done. So a lot of people have different ways of doing this. So I'm going to show you my way. So I'm going to put the brackets on first, and then I will probably line it all up, and then I've got some purple tape, and then I'm going to tape around the corners so I know exactly where it is. And then what we do is take all these glue pads off and then just stick it on, and then maybe use a bit of tiger seal as well to help it stay there. But yeah, we'll just put all these on and get it done.
Shooting star in the sky, glimpse of hope in your eyes. Burn the old me together, finding you was a missing part. Feels like it's a start, and I will stay in comfortable silence. I won't talk about myself in violence ever since you.
So all the clips are in. We're just going to go and get some purple tape, and then we can start lining it up and basically put it on. Pretty easy really. It's just all you have to do is make sure it's all lined up. So what we're going to use, a lot of people use sellotape and everything like that. I used it last time when I did one of these, but I'm going to use some purple strip tape so we can see where we're going to actually put it. So we're going to show you how I do it. See, if I put the camera up here. Using purple tape. I've got to take all of this red stuff off now and then get it on the car, but it shouldn't take too long, and then the car is done for the day. I might do the front splitter, but you'll see that in the video later.
And I will stay in a comfortable silence. I won't talk about myself in violence. Ever since you, ever since you,
This one don't work.
What are you, mate?
Dickhead. Huh?
Say that again, sorry?
Dickhead. I'm not allowed to swear normally when I'm saying, so it's nice.
Are you not?
No.
Why aren't you?
Apparently it's not appropriate.
It's not really for a YouTube video within the first, I don't know, it's like 30 seconds. After that, then it's fair game. I don't reckon any of them are going to be any good.
He used it the other day though.
Yeah, but it goes off so quick.
Well, I got it out a minute ago.
Did you?
Yeah.
It's not very appropriate.
It's going to go pinging it.
Cover my eyes and...
There we go. Yeah, I'm only going to use a bit just because I don't like this crappy stuff in it. And I'm only going to put it on a couple of them, okay? So don't worry. I'm not actually...
Oh, I'm not worrying, it's not my car.
It's not going to be the best job because you don't need to worry about it.
Look at that splurge.
What is the
Splurge. Alright, bye. Bye
Yeah.
YouTube. I have to go have my lunch.
Alright.
Sorry, Carl.
Bye, Andy.
I only
Yeah.
came round here for a second.
So, we're about to put it on. And I'm going to do it myself. So, if I can do it myself, you lot can do it with someone. I would prefer to do it with someone to line it all up, but let's give it a go. So, I'm just going to push it all down and make sure the tiger seal sets. But I only put a little bit of tiger seal on just to help it because I don't really want these flying off at like 70 mile an hour-ish. Because I've had these on my other car and they have actually fallen off, so I had to get them resprayed. So we're just going to make sure it's all down properly. If not, we're going to use some more tiger seal. But so look. So that's where we use the lines. Give it a good push down. So we just finished. Pretty easy job, I'm not going to lie. Anyone can do this job as long as you've just got a bit of patience with the backing on the tape. But side louvers, really easy. Rear louvers a bit more difficult because you have to line them all up and everything like that. But just use some colour tape, just cut it around there. We probably want 2, 4, 6, 8 bits of little tape. Just cut it, and then all you have to do is turn it over, take the backing off it, use a bit of tiger seal. Just a little tip from me, because it doesn't have to be a lot, just a tiny bit. It's just so it makes sure it stays on, because you don't want that falling off at speed. It has happened to me before, so I've learnt my lesson. But for cheap parts, they're pretty good actually. There's a few minor issues with them, but nothing I would say, oh, you know, £190 for the lot. It's not really that bad, but it does transform the car. Let's have a look.
I just wanna lose I just wanna lose control.
It looks really good now, and hopefully we'll be done soon, and you're going to see it wrapped in a couple of weeks. I reckon it should be wrapped in a different colour, but we're going to spoil it up for you, and we're going to paint the wheels a different colour as well, because they need some work, but we don't know what colours to do them yet. So stay tuned, like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon, guys.